The 16-foot storage unit, 22 feet wide. Customers have enough room for 6 pallets from one side, 6 pallets from another side, total of 12 pallets. And the first rows of all pallets can be double stacked, which makes it 9 pallets from one side, 9 pallets from the other side, 18. And the full area of the floor is available for any other additional operation or additional pallets. There is enough room for a small class forklift to come around and rearrange all the pallets and the rest of the items that are stored in the unit. When it's based on 40-foot container, customers have room for 52 pallets just on the sides of the unit, and the rest of the floor is available for a forklift to rearrange or anything else that needs to be done with the merchandise or the items or the materials stored in the unit. The units can be manufactured, half of them as an office and the other half as a storage. Edcore products can be manufactured from multiple materials depending on the customer's needs: fiberglass, aluminum, steel, or anything else that customers require.